Aye. Well, something is messing up her mind. Something is killing her inside. Besides her defense, cause she drives. Something is wrong in her life. Go again. She is so beautiful. She is respectful. She's the kind of lady that every man wants to call her baby. And she's my next door, but she's married her. Then her husband, he abused her and he beats her. That she cries every night. Oh why, oh why, oh why they fight all night. Ain't right, ain't right, ain't right. No one knows their fears. No one feels their pain. No one sees their tears, and it's driving me insane. I'm going crazy. Somebody tell me, why is it ladies love so contagious? Is it not of love, money or cars? Get in your house, you cry all night. It's right. Oh, 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 they fight all night. They cry. Oh, no, no, she cries all night. They cry. Hey, they fight all night. They cry. Hey, let me take some time out and talk to my sisters, my mothers, my aunties. You know, you have to be strong and love somebody who really loves you back. It's not about material, hype and money. Because I see some of you getting abused. Just leave the man, because your situation is right. If it's right, then answer me this. It's vanity with your bruises. Calamity is what you choosing. Loneliness for late night cruising. Insanity is what you doing. Black eyes under them shades. Makeup to cover them scars on your face. Oh, what a shame. Oh, no, 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 no. They fight, and they hurt me so much. Alright, they fight. Hey, she cries all night, and it hurt me so much. They fight all night. Oh no, 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 no. Oh yeah, hey yeah. We say no to rape. We say no to woman abuse. We don't beat up our woman. You beat up your woman, it's like you're beating up your own mother. Respect girl child. Don't rape kids. Take them to school. Education. I will say no to rape. I will say it again. No to rape. Charge it.